All right, here's a way to transfer messages that you have that are stored in folders that aren't just in your inbox. I've got both my Google Mail open and my AEA Mail open here in two different tabs. Now, if you haven't used tabs before, simply open your Google Mail, hit Command T. The Command key is the one right next to the space bar. Hold it down, hit the letter T as in teacher. A second tab will open. Open your AEA account mail in that tab. That way you can go back and forth. All right, so here I am in my AEA mail. I've got two folders over here that have messages in them. Simply click on one of the folders and select those. If you've got a lot, a shortcut is select the first one, hold down the shift key, select the last one, and they'll all highlight. Drag them over into your inbox, and they should eventually be transferred into your Google Mail. It may take a minute or two for that to happen. Now, another thing you can do to get that mail from the AEA account is go up here to Settings, over to the Accounts tab again, and in that Get Mail from Other Accounts, you'll see a link that says Check Mail Now. Click it, and it'll go there and check for any mail. And it should eventually pull that mail into your inbox. All right, so here are the emails that pulled in, and I've already got the same folder set up that I had in the AEA account. So it's simply a matter of select these all. Once again, up here at the top, you've got a select all button that you can use if you've got a lot of them. And then simply do a move to the folder or label that you want them in, and you've got those done. So you can continue that process, clean out all the things, the items from your folders, get them all into your Google account, and then you can just kind of forget about your AEA account. All right, now you're ready to transfer over all your contacts. My suggestion would be to get rid of the ones you don't need anymore. So I'm in the inbox here. I'm going to click on the address book tab, and you have two actual lists of contacts. Contacts here on the left and email contacts. Contacts are ones that you've put in, and the email contacts are all the ones of where you've sent messages to. So I would first go through and clean out all the ones you don't want. So for instance, here are my contacts. If I go to G, I find Bill Gates. He sometimes emails me for advice, and he can do it on his own from now on. So I'm just going to check his and delete it. So do that for both your contacts and email contacts list. So just go through and delete out all the ones that you're not going to use anymore. Just delete them, and that way they're not there and you won't have to mess with them when you get them on the other end, all the ones you don't need. All right. Then go to your Preferences tab, and over here on the side, go to Import Export. And down here under Export, you see Account, Calendar, Contacts. Select Contacts. And down here under Source, click that and select the contacts list. Click OK. And then do Export over here on the right side. Save that file. Okay, then do that once again, this time the source being the emailed contacts. Okay. Export. Save that file. All right, now I can go back to my Google Mail, and over here under the folders and stuff, you'll see contacts. Click that. And then you'll see a tab that says Import. Click that. and then you'll see a browse button here to select a CSV file, which is what we actually saved your contacts with. Those files you saved should say contacts.csv and emailed contacts.csv. So browse that, and you'll use your dialog window and find that file. Click open. And I'm just going to leave this and do import. And it's imported my contacts. So there's all my contacts that I had before from my contacts list. So now I can do that again. This time I can get that emailed contacts list. And I think I'll just add these to the same group. So I'm going to leave this unchecked. Import those. Imported all those. So now I have my contacts list built up with all of the contacts I had from before.